I'm going to be talking to you about your Herbst appliance. Your Herbst appliance is used for your overbite to help encourage the lower jaw growth. So it looks just like this, and you will also have braces on your top teeth as well while you have your Herbst appliance in. Throughout your treatment time with your Herbst appliance in, we will add what we call shims to your Herbst arm that help encourage your lower jaw to continue to move forward. Eventually, towards the end of your treatment time with your Herbst on, your teeth will be biting edge to edge, like they're biting right on top of each other, or you'll be in a slight underbite where your bottom teeth bite over the top teeth. The reason for that is because when the Herbst appliance comes out, your jaw wants to relapse just a little bit and kind of relax, and it'll be in the position that we want it to be in that's going to be perfect for you to get the rest of your braces on. If we don't overcorrect it and put you in that underbite, then it's going to relapse back a little too far and you lose a lot of the progress that you made. So don't worry, everything will be totally normal when you're all done with your Herbst. Common things that can happen with your Herbst is a screw can come out, and we'll show you how to replace that during your appointment time. Or if a crown ever comes loose, make sure you let us know so we can get you in to fix it. You also want to make sure that the first few days while you have the Herbst in, that you're eating softer foods, because your bite is going to feel a little weird and you may notice that you're not able to chew up really solid foods quite yet. But I promise after about a week and a half, those back teeth will all start touching again and everything will feel totally normal. Occasionally, your cheeks can get a little bit sore from the Herbst, also your jaw muscles. If that ever happens, take a little bit of ibuprofen or Tylenol, because that will help with any tenderness, or swishing around with a little bit of warm salt water will help if your cheeks get a little sore and you get a canker sore. If anything ever happens with your Herbst, make sure that you go to our Mullen Orthodontics YouTube page, and we have a step-by-step for how to help fix that until you can come in and see us.